Hi, I'm Selena Gilbo, the K through 12 instructional engagement coach, and I have some positive remote learning environment tips for you. First, we want to make sure that we are minimizing any distractions that might be distracting to us. If you need to find a corner, find a corner. If you need to put on headphones and listen to some good soft music, do that too. But make sure your learning environment helps you focus. Next, we need to make sure we are prepared to learn. Of course, need your laptop and your charger, and what other things might be necessary? Calculator, maybe a notebook because you prefer to write your notes by hand. Whatever it is, have it handy, have it ready. Make sure you have Canvas, your email, and then your instructional materials that might be what we sent to you or what's available in the tab in Canvas. Now let's talk about what gets you in the zone. Do you like to go for a walk? Maybe looking at a motivational quote, maybe having a chat with a certain person in the morning. Whatever it is, find that routine and keep to it. It's going to help you focus and be ready to learn. Lastly, let's move, right? We have a full day of school, and so it's really important we take care of our bodies during that time. Every 45 minutes or so, consider moving your body. Maybe you want to stretch. Whatever it is, make sure you're moving your body and activating that brain to help you focus better in your assignments. These are my tips to create a positive remote learning environment. I hope they help and have a great school year.